Hey, what's up guys, today I'm going to dye this white shirt into bright yellow color using your household ingredient. So I'm going to use turmeric, which will give me bright yellow color to my shirt. That's the most creative thing I've decided to do in this lockdown. And I'm going to make a video because I know nobody's going to watch it. Because my mom asked me, what do you work as? So I said, as a creative producer. So what is the most creative thing you've done till now? So I'm gonna do this dye thing and wear it as a sleeve on me and show it to her that see that okay, I've done something creative. So it's always there whenever I'm around. I can show it to her the most creative thing I've done. Like I know it's very teenagerish, but that's how I thought of just making the day fruitful and just more interesting. That's it. So let's see. I'm gonna dye this shirt. I'm going to show you the procedure which I'm going to follow, which I saw on internet, and that's the same thing which I'm going to do. It's pretty simple. It's just 1:1:1 ratio. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of salt to retain the color. The color remains on the shirt, and enough of water. So that's it. These 3 ingredients. We're going to dye this shirt. Let's see. So here is the water which I've kept for boiling. I'm going to add turmeric and salt to it. So let's add some turmeric. I'll keep it there. I think I'll have to add some more. Okay, I'll add some more turmeric to this. Okay guys, now I'm going to add some salt to this. One more. So I've added haldi, turmeric and salt to this. Let it simmer and let it boil for some time. Till then we will just tie this shirt using this bands. I'll just try to make a spiral shape or something so let's tie this till the time the water is boiling. Let's tie this shirt. Now this is the white shirt which I'm going to dye. So we will try to just spiral this. Okay, I might have to use my both hands for this thing. Okay, so I'll show you after I tie this. So see, I've just made it small, tighter, and tied it with this rubber bands. So I'm going to add more rubber bands to this. So I'll show you after once I'm done with this. I think this would be enough. So once the water boils completely, I'm going to add this cloth and put it into the haldi water, turmeric water, and rest it for a few hours. Okay. I think the turmeric has completely dissolved in the water and it's warm, hot enough where I can soak this cloth in this mixture. But before that, I'm going to just transfer this mixture from my regular cooking utensil to this utensil. So now it's the time to put this cloth, my shirt, inside this mixture. It's gone now. As you can see, it has immediately taken up color. I'm going to soak it more. Now I'll put it. Okay, the steam has started to come. Okay, I'll just put it to rest for some time and keep checking it in between till I gain the desired color which I'm looking for. Okay guys. Hey guys, I think it's more than 2 hours now. I have soaked this cloth inside this mixture. So I think it's pretty done now. I'll be removing it now. Okay. So let me just, the water has also a little cooled down. This is how it looks like. Let me just pull out all the water out of this. Okay, now I'm going to just put it in normal water and just rinse it. So I think this turmeric has entirely this cloth has taken the color of turmeric. I can see. Become bright yellow, the kind of yellow which I was expecting. Now let's remove this rubber one by one, revealing the texture. I'm just curious to know if it has taken the spiral structure or let's see. So I have removed all the rubbers which I tied to them, and it's time to see and open up this shirt. And oh my god, it has like okay, I think I'll have to hold it. One sec, hold. So guys, that's how the shirt is looking now. Wow, it looks superbly cool. And I have to show this to my mom for sure.
छान आहे, मस्तच वाटतंय. हळद लावलेला कलर काढलेला आणि त्या डिझाईन बांधून केलेली ती डिझाईन खूपच छान आलेली आहे त्याच्यात.
खोटं करू नका.
पण मध्ये मध्ये असं वाटतंय की काय माहितीये ते लग्न आधी हळद लावतात ना, ते तसं तसं वाटतंय ते त्याच्यावर.
That's it guys, I think I have achieved my creative satisfaction for the day today, and I have achieved the desired results which I was expecting. I'm pretty happy with whatever I have done. So hope you liked the experiment, and if you feel like doing this shit, please follow or watch any other video on YouTube and do it. Please don't follow me. Okay, bye, thank you, all the best, take care, enjoy.